if you want to just move through this earth, and if you think you're going to move through this earth and not have no haters and that, well, then it's probably because you're not planning on doing big things. Listen, someone will always find something bad to say. You could be out at 3 in the morning and you can rescue a baby from a burning building. Some jackass will say, well, what was he doing out at 3 in the morning? Someone will say, well, you know what you should have done? You should have just waited for the fire brigade. Something could have happened to you. Like, yo, you just embrace the fact that the man saved another life. Someone's always got something negative to say. I even see it. Even it could be anything. It could be someone connecting up a socket. It could be someone running some pipe work as a plumber. When you go through the comment section, some jackass, even though what they've done is passable, it's acceptable, it falls within the regulations. I would have done it this way. You could have someone run a length of pipe, 3 meters, and let's say they put 10 clips in to support the pipe. Regs say you only need 8. Shut the fuck up. You actually decided to go out of your way to type that. Who gives a fuck? Someone's always got something to say. It could be anything. You could have a woman with a cookery channel. You could have a woman who bakes cakes, does apple crumble. Some jackass, male or female, probably female, if it's to do with baking apple crumble and that, will be like, why? Oh, I'm thinking about Nadia's apple crumble now, actually. I miss Nadia's apple crumble. So someone will say, why did you use that much sugar? You could have used this instead of, like, just bullshit. Oh, I usually use brown sugar, not white sugar. Just bullshit like that. Fucking just stupid, man.